Click and collect is one of the fastest growing delivery methods in the UK. Adding this as an option to your listings will help meet your buyers' expectations to have a choice of delivery options at no extra cost to you. Keep watching to find out how it works. We know buyers love click and collect as it gives them the freedom of choosing when and where to pick up their items. By opting in to offer click and collect, you'll be adding great value to your listings and you won't need to make any big changes to the way you currently sell. Using click and collect is just like using any other delivery option. Your order will be generated as normal, with just a few changes to your shipping label. As you can see, the label will display the address of the collection location rather than the buyer's home address. It will also show an eBay collection point code known as an ECP. This makes sure the collection point can receive your parcel and generate a ready for collection email or text to your buyer. It's extremely important that your ECP code is printed on your shipping label, so even if you're using your own order management system for label printing or handwriting the address, make sure it's included. Without this, your parcel can't be received by the collection point, your buyer won't be notified, and the item will likely be disposed of. Once your parcel has been sent, upload the tracking number and mark your item as dispatched as usual, and you're done. The benefits of click and collect aren't just for your buyers though. Using this delivery option offers you an extra layer of protection. Once an item in the correct condition is received at an eBay collection point location and the buyer has been notified, you'll be completely protected against item not received cases. If the buyer doesn't collect the item within 7 days of the collection point receiving the order, eBay will cover the cost to return the item back to you, provided you have met all the requirements within our terms and conditions. And best of all, none of this will cost you anything extra, just your usual postage costs to send your parcel to the eBay collection point. It's very easy to opt in as well. Just go to Site Preferences in your My eBay account settings and select the option to offer click and collect. This will add it as a delivery option for all your eligible items. Eligibility will depend on the category and dimensions of the item. You'll find more information below on our eligibility conditions and trusted delivery partners. To get more tips and guidance from the eBay team, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.